For Thursday, the 28th of September, welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania team, where we focus on the local weather scene. Currently on the screen is a look at total precipitation. This information is available on the Tropical Tidbits website. Area of interest, south of Fraser Island to the Queensland New South Wales border, Central Australia on the Northern Territory, South Australian border, and this is the total forecast of rain across the forecast period, and you can note the areas in green to light blue and dark blue and a little bit of purple. And that's the Wide Bay and Burnett districts. And not forgetting the west coast of Tasmania. Now this is a look at the 12-hourly rainfall. I've actually broken it down so we can see what areas are going to see the rainfall. Rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen. Looks like we have another system going to track into Queensland. Biometeorology does have a few warnings in place. And Taroom, Gayndah to the west of Gympie. Force 13 will monitor this developing system. Unadilla up there in the, I think, the top right hand corner of South Australia. It's in for some nice rainfall. And the birds in the background are going crazy here, the old crows. You see the area in dark green. And here's the one to the west of Unadilla. Up to 10 millimetres, the area in brown from Mount Gambier up to Kings Coat. These are slightly out of sequence. And in the meantime, the hurricane season is now into its peak period. Up there in the northern hemisphere, the Bureau has a wind warning, strong wind warning over there WA for the Pilbara and Nigaloo coast. And an expanded one for Friday. For Tasmania, strong wind warning is currently in place for Storm Bay, far northwest coast, central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, southeast, southwest, central west coast, and nothing unusual for the region small craft alert, central Plano Lakes, southwest lakes. But for Friday, gale warning for southwest and central west coastal regions. For South Australia, gale warning, lower southeast coast, strong wind warning, south central and the upper southeast coastal region. For the state of Victoria, strong wind warning for the central Gippsland, east Gippsland coast. Gale warning for west central and central Gippsland coastal regions for Friday. And a strong wind warning for the Port Phillip, Western Port, East Gippsland. And for New South Wales, strong wind warning, Byron, Goths, Macquarie, Eden coast. Fire weather warning is in place for the far north coastal region, New South Wales. Hot, dry, northwesterly winds ahead of a southwest to southerly change in the late afternoon or evening. Severe fire danger for the far north coastal region, and a strong wind warning remains in place for the Sunshine, the Gold Coast waters on Moreton Bay. And here's another look at the GFS total precipitation for Australia's eastern region, taking in the southwest Pacific. A look at the rainbow satellite Himalaya view of the region. A little bit of convection flaring in Jakarta, Indonesia region. If you'd like to get in contact with Force 13, here's Nathan.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.